Ni tariki ya mutinyu gatano na kabiri mwaka w'ibiri na mirongo ibiri na isatu ekarona nitwasoire mutinyu muya kabisa gosa mutinyu munya tuguchaka bono rituko rero kana itigirwo tena ni tariki ya mutinyu gatano na kabiri mwaka w'ibiri na mirongo ibiri na isatu keraba Kenya bono bagendete gutwara obwoba na kibono bogema gochikoenda gokonga anekero baode maguria maguta komentire gose bintu bigendete bigochiko konga korengana no murai bwense Dr. Muto uyu dede ku implement emerubiri yaye kwene kwinense ya Kenya ngwetenenere asaba Kenya bagwakane bango ende enyarke gosuka gojibosio ekarabete emerubiri kwene kwina ni uchumi gochikuimukera iguru niko nakore ne SMS mangana mayaye gisizero nabene eringo manyana ale ndete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii Abakenya aho bakurabona barai aho niyo bagendete gutuma engora yabo gochiase chiamate anachiri chiasireti abanju babo abairi babo kubatkana no basukana uri korekerenta sensemo ya Rondiani abwase county ya Kericho obotuko bogokera lero barai aho bakurabona murai bwense amona barai aho niyo batumire engora yabo gochi sabanju amo nabasani bali basiriri basiriri abamwabo kubatkana no basukana yumube okorenta sensemo ya Rondiani asubu kubogokera rituko rero ane rituko riarego chengero siri konyo rimanya gadena ushirika day ase riaragwa no murai bwense Dr. Muto amono mokonyo ye asensemeri ya Kisii Nairobi karoba kwanda ao ali serikali yebegete irigo kinie byombe ao ime yense yaito ya Kenya murai bwa mobwasi miro moja wa Kenya Raila Odinga no are ase county ya Homa Bay anekara ase rituko ya kabere ase merubiri ao ase county yo ase rituko goro achagetibe negeti kia Raila Odinga Stadium asensemeri ya Homa Bay aseboniga ala asensemeyo anene asoko nyere koro kia egesaku kiomagere gose ruo Cardio Festival ere asensemeyo ngati yali mwajibo na kwalende asema sobono kote byo benanje uikomwere katokubotera na bgeri nyanja makuru asensemeri de studio anekuna mali ogine jibicha gochira senjera bene liane Brighton Makori obokori bwae asimirubirio yo kwiranirira gochia sechi skirose aftam ekare gochikwera ni gobono abaibori banyarire bakoboliwa kwene kibuna ngose mibara abana babo eria keroba gochikwera na sechi skuru enyore buna ni gobobwate chimbwa chingi ya gukwana yo no mobasi Obedience Pentecostal Church of God ya Sensemeri eri goma district David Ombori amo na district gose na Elder Joel Onyanja uyukurwase ensemo ya Ibunja SDA abanyarire bakurobo semyobu buna abaibori batakere balenda abana babo no enekero bachikwira na skuru banyore buna mbabwate chimbwa no bosemyobu ya kero bachikwira nira gochakira e weekend
nari gukwana korengana abaibori badi bashya abana abarimo badi bashya abana abagambi baito badi bashya abana n'abarandire kanisa jadi bashya abana so chinseme chozi igotoro komeka abana baito buya tubatenga kibakomenya buya iriegere barosubuka mabwabo
yagutiga abana bachake gutara bagenda mairi mairi esibachi bagotebina mairi bachieta sigitonya na baiseke gose nabamura utamanyitia mairi ayo tuli kubwati kwa manyasa ase omwana ale abana bachireka baumurubiri nga kibako bapaka bakole buna baira ali esukuru emerubiri yesukuru
ekwantu abakotema gotegerera bonare kwandi bashya bayiburi nga totuko mwana bereka nga ne sukuru visio tabwati nabora hangi to kwati rero mambi to kutakuboru igoiro mwana mbaka sukuru musabera libaga na besiri obwateke kona korwa egara bana koragerera tukanyire nga kiamangana akabagoronge na ibintu mbiyo bya
kubotikana numubazokano oyo korekanete asensemeri ya Rondiani asebono abantu chimis abantu 55 banyarde bagosiri obogima bwabo aburi tukuri goro gosobot kubukira rero nigobona muwasiri bw'obosombi muwasiri bw'obosombi amonubwaga chikibujumba murukomenya nyara kagutarira sensemeyo anebonekera tebune serikali nigo yacha kirobotuki eri kwenda kingi engane iyo yakorekana korengane nigateru n'abakenya bange nigo bamochirie wisara yobosombi buna omopasukano inabore gocha gutangeka korende nigatena yaya oyo numpasukano beto mobe asebono botuki bwachakiwe bunakoerera.
No Kenyans, and I have had a lot of them saying that our ministry should have averted such accident. We will do the investigation and thorough investigations to know what caused the accident. We will do a very thorough investigations, and once we do so, we will take the necessary action. But we need our support, that soon when you hear us banning and tell Kenya we ban people from operating from all the road reserves, of course we'll give people due notice. But if you hear us tell the road agency, and especially Kenya National Highway Authority, to reclaim its road reserve and to make sure that nobody is operating immediately under the road, also let us receive your support. Because if we receive support of the people of Kenya, we will avert this situation. This is not a normal road accident. You know, this is not the kind of normal road accident where you say the matatu was unroadworthy, the police allowed unroadworthy vehicle to pass, or, you know, as people say, the car, you know, somebody was bribed, that's why enforcement was not done. This is not that kind of a normal kind of an accident. This is actually a disaster that has occurred as a result of an accident that perhaps could not have been too catastrophic, happening in an area where there is high operation of people.
Boy gobono muwasirio yimuru kameni gaterna bono aba gendi bonse bechigali bachikwenda kinango korero baro boringo likumanya ngaki status chabo jire gosenga ki bamanye tobo gendi bwabo asa borina mbobwa nanda bori asaba dio bakenya bonse kubwaterna engane yemanye guchuikerna asa debiruna nabekorekana mna bange na barachi kwameriri engane yuna kugenda wikase kambero kone nigatene yinere nchira ya moyo jukwene kino bosombia monechi parajetu ngore nujire abantu basire tiobo gima bwabo kubatkana no mubaskano yo asebara bralina ikakote nigo barenke nigo bare 50 abatano kone teture ngakimo wasira endete koteba igoro yamanganayo.
That number of people operating just next to high traffic and high risk vehicles plying our roads. I really need your support as the people of Kenya, because I will take the bold step. Yeah, some people will run for court orders. It's okay. I will also approach the same court, and we need the support of our courts on those decisions. And also, some people will try to resist it. I see people saying they are not going to test for driver. Why? Why? Let's discuss the cost of testing. But you can't tell me, if you are a qualified driver, you can't tell me you are not going to take a test. Why? Because if you have been driving over 10 years, you are experienced. The test should be, you know, nothing. What we are going to do is to make sure that those drivers are not going to be tested in a language that makes it difficult for them to.
Kristino ogutu no yomo bwabari banyarede bagutie makweli aburi tukura marwaba ekano basukano yo okorekana ta sensema ya rondiani county ya Kericho tetura gunere nganyarede kao kwana ekaronera gendete gusabanya sae na watabuna ni outeti amakweli ayi.
So nilipofika hapo junction ya kuingia Molo, kulikuwa na trailer kulikuwa na mbele yangu. So nikaambia, tulikuwa wawili. So wakati niliona hiyo gari haiendi vizuri, nika slow down. Slow down kufika kwa hiyo mteremko, hiyo gari ilikuwa inaenda speed sana. Mimi nilikuwa naenda speed ya 50. Lakini hiyo gari singeweza kuifikia. Nikaambia mwenzangu mwenye tulikuwa naye, hapana, hii gari ni kama kuna shida kiplani. Sasa ilikuwa mbele yangu na mimi niko nyuma. So wakati tulipita kulikuwa na mteremko kidogo. Kufikia kwa hiyo mlima nikaambia mwenzangu at least tupite hii gari, because hii gari inaweza kuwa na shida fulani. venye naona venye inaenda hii gari haiendi vizuri because haina brake, na kwa mteremko at least gari kama inaenda mpaka ikanyage brake kidogo. Kufika kwa mlima mimi nikapita bumps ya kwanza, bumps ya pili ya kufikia hapo junction ya Mhoroni, nika slow down ili ni give way kwa zile magari zilikuwa zinakuja mbele yangu, nipate namna venye naweza ingia junction ya kuingia Mhoroni. Hiyo gari ilinichapa nyuma. Kunichapa nyuma, I was very much steady. Nilikuwa nimeshikilia steering na mikono yangu miwili. Sikupanic hata kidogo.
Ekerobono rituko ria rero ryarengi ria ushirika day oyo sangaro nyaroko karakana sensemeri ya Kenyatta International Conference Center KICC asunyara gukora no muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto bono nigatero no gochamo ugwechi bebyombe aho hanene cooperative za mona SACCOS nigo kiraji gusirwa ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza boigo nigo bona rurege kurege tindi gochi ase abakurumi boigo ne broker jiri anene chigokora emeroberi yabo yo kwibera baremi osebari bakoro bonchuri ao asense ya Kenya.
Nyinyi ndio mtazisimamia kwa sababu ile biashara inaendelea pale, kama ni ya avocado, kama ni ya chai, kama ni ya kahawa, kama ni ya mchele. Hiyo biashara yote ambayo inaendelea pale ya mazao yenu, nyinyi ndio mtakuwa mstari ya mbele kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale watu ambao wanatusumbua kama brokers na makatel na wale wengine, hakuna haja sasa ya kwenda kuwasumbua wakulima. Tunawaambia tukutane sokoni ndio tupige bei na nyinyi tukiwa pamoja. Unajua hawa cartels na brokers wanaenda wanakona mkulima kwa shamba yake akiwa peke yake, anapigisha yeye Kiswahili mingi, bei imeharibika, unajua hii iko namna hii, anachukua mali yako. Mwisho mkulima ambaye amehangaika miezi 6 mwaka moja akichunga mazao yake anapata pesa kidogo kuliko ule broker amekuja pale kwa masaa ama kwa siku 2, ametengeneza pesa nyingi kuliko mkulima. So ndio tunasema sasa tutaweka mazao yetu. Tunakamilisha ujenzi wa masoko katika kila sub-county. Na tunakamilisha, tumeanza the first 14 counties. Mtatuona tukitembea huko tukizianzisha zijengwe. Tunataka in the next 1 year tuwe na county aggregation and industrial park.
Boigo murai bwense na irari bagaria eria bena nene kara kwanira iguru yobo tukibwetugo hanene asibari ba koroboremi bwa mabere asadere ngakiba bekire murubiri yo kwene kira baramgo kibara konyora lige sarigia kojasa matko halebosio.
For the dairy sector, investment in preservation and processing infrastructure are aimed at building up the country's capacity to export to our region as well as the broader African market. The modernization of the Kenya Cooperative Creameries will ensure its efficiency, enable it sustainably manage milk market glut and converting excess milk into powder, thereby stabilizing prices. Na wacha niseme hapo ya kwamba kwa sekta hiyo ya dairy tumekuwa na mjadala mkubwa kuhusu mambo ya maziwa, na nilitangaza juzi ya kwamba katika mpango wetu kama serikali ya kusaidia sekta ya dairy tuko na pesa karibu shilingi bilioni 8 ambayo tumefanya ushirika na serikali ya Poland, na kuanzia mwezi wa 8 tutatekeleza hiyo mpango ambayo itahakikisha ya kwamba wakulima wetu wa dairy ambayo bado wana maziwa yao inaharibika kwa sababu hawana mahali ya kufanya aggregation, hawana milk cooling plants, tutapata milk cooling plants 650.
Boigo mokonyi bumurai bwenzeri katika shawane na nyaraka wekerna somo yigo yibo kurigera litukuria ushirika day asenera kwanera igoro yobu ya bwebyombe gose cooperatives amana SACCOS asense ya Kenya.
Movement in Kenya is a success story, and it is a movement that harnessed the first government after we got independence and has taken Kenya so far. We note with a lot of pride the successes of the various SACCOs. The Harambee SACCO, the Afya SACCO, the Mwalimu SACCO, 2NK SACCO, and all SACCOs that have succeeded. Your Excellency, we were doing very well until sometimes in the 80s, when the people in charge of the cooperative movement allowed the splitting of big cooperative movements into small and economical units. And that is where the rain began beating us, especially in the coffee cooperative societies. Your Excellency, with your Minister for Cooperatives and members of the National Assembly, we are working on amendments to the Cooperative Act to align it with the President of Kenya and to strengthen the cooperative movement to be in a position to serve the people of Kenya.
Ligati bono na nyaraga kweranere ngakibyombe bya nyaribi komokonya na ndinga kyao chikwenda goswa asebyombe ao asase miria ba Kenya bari bataraso asebyombe kwenda kwenda goswa bara asebyombe ribanyare ba konyorobo konyi kurwase ebyombe.
With the Ministry of Cooperatives, we are beginning a campaign next week to urge macadamia and avocado farmers to form cooperative societies so that they can market their produce and are not taken advantage of by the brokers. Kwa hivyo, Your Excellency, mimi nashukuru sana. I'm a beneficiary of SACCOs myself. Mimi nilikuwa member wa Magereza Society. Nikaweka pesa, nikakopa loan ya 850,000. Nikanunua plot Karen 1 acre pahali mimi naishi. That plot I bought at 850,000. Without
sogokorero mu wasiri bwa Jensen na kuminja nigobona togirio muroberio yonyarete kogosiori gwa buri tukurigora nenekere miroberi ya serikali yonsi ujugutume kenjira yekerero asaba Kenya konyora emiroberi yabo ya kererituga kwana buri tukurigoro ekeregeta sensemeri iyo kwa kabuya asomo bungo tonglen John Gitikati nigobona susania teruna nonyene wisara yobochenu kariyo judume kenjira yekerero obukrumini gobora chikoera asezwisare yobochenu ngana ya tokoboko nomo wasiri wose Prime Cabinet Secretary Mr. Mdavadi bono bokrumi oikabo chikoera osebo komwelio.
Tumezindua mtandao. Wale ambao wamekuwa wakiiba pesa ya KEMSA, mwisho wenu umefika. Wale ambao walikuwa wanafanya ukora katika NHIF, mwisho wao pia umefika. Na mimi nataka kuwaomba wananchi, mkiona hospitali ambayo inafanya billing ya ukora, ambia Maina Humicha atengeneze maneno.
We want in the next budget to get even more from the Ministry of Health to serve our place. Na Susan anapigana na majambazi wa ufisadi, mababe wa ufisadi katika hiyo wizara, department ya NHIF na katika KEMSA. Mababe wa ufisadi wako kule.
Ayibano nararenga ye Chinseji Isano na Ibere chano wasokoni nyira chikora Chinsa 10 nugonyara bya mana manke banandete gwateka imena isko ya Gusii ningungo ndio tware weekend ya engiye tabwati biru kunyobine byonsi no mutinyo gatano na kabere otabwati bube bonde wensi karonya sara tugwire to kumeraneri twira Jumatata somoro rwensa ake karonya sae aranganjere na yagwanjire twabwaterana na bweri nyanja makuru asenza mirinde studio kwa uyene kuna mariogi na jibijago chira sinjera bene ninjana nyarata go chasore Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, Ubwansu.